Alright, so welcome back dito sa ating channel dito sa Bobs TV. Okay, so ito pag-usapan natin mga babayan, no? Dahil ito nga po nga anak ni Senator Marcoleta na si Congressman na Marcoleta, mga babayan, ay pinagtawanan at napahiya po, no, dito sa hearing po sa Kongreso sa impeachment po ni Sara Duterte. No? Nagkalat po sa Kongreso, mga babayan, at masyadong umeepal. No, ang dami niya pong pinupuna. Yun naman pala, hindi naman pala miyembro, no, ng Justice Committee ng House. Yun po yung pagkakaintindi ko dun sa napanood kong balita, mga babayan. Hindi pala member. Tapos umeepal. No, po-point of order pa. Kasi ang dami niyang pinapansin, ang dami niyang pinupuna, mga babayan. No, pero hindi pala siya miyembro ng Justice Committee o nung committee na yon, mga babayan. No, may grabe talaga. Kaipalan pala talaga ng mga to, Okay, so yan ang ating alamin ngayon at pag-uusapan. Pero syempre, bago ang lahat, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, at comment dyan sa comment section. At syempre sa lahat po na makakapanood ng video na to, sa mga followers natin, subscribers natin dyan, pakisubscribe din po, no, itong channel na to, PH News Update, mga babayan. Ilalagay ko po sa ibaba yung link, no, supportahan po natin yan. Okay? Okay, so ito, panoorin natin, mga babayan, no, kung paano pong sinupalpal at napahiya ito pong anak ni Marcoleta. Anak ni Marcoleta, 2 beses napahiya sa Kongreso, 2 beses, mga babayan. 2 beses. At 2 beses din po siya sinupalpal. Ang masaklap nun, pinagtawanan siya, mga babayan. No, yun yung masakit dun. Okay, so ito, panoorin natin. Right? Let's go.
Honorable Marcoleta, you are reminded by the chair already to confine to the subject matter of this impeachment proceeding. If you continue to make a manifestation outside the subject matter, we will be ruling you out of order. With all due respect, Honorable Marcoleta.
Point of order. This is not directed to the members of the committee.
Madam Chair, our good friend is not a member of the committee.
Yun.
During the archiving of the
Yung pala, mga babayan, hindi daw po member.
members of the committee.
Madam Chair, our good friend is not a member of the committee.
Nako, yun ang masakit. Not a member of the committee pala. No? Tapos umeepal-epal ka dyan. No? Ang dami mong komento, hindi ka pala miyembro. Umeepal ka.
During the archiving of the impeachment at the Senate, Mr.
Madam Chair,
Mr.
Madam Chair, wala pa naman palang ginagawa. Let us not...
Point of order. Let us wait until he finishes, and then I will
Just
be
allow me to
recognizing it.
finish. During the archiving of the impeachment, Mr. D booed and made a gesture of thumbs down at the VIP gallery of the Senate.
O ngayon, may
Alright.
pinapalayas.
Honorable Marcoleta, but it is apparent
to observe
that
proper decorum.
the Honorable D hasn't committed anything yet which is not consistent to decorum. Would you like to say something, Honorable Dilema?
Yes, Madam Chair, it is completely improper for
Improper
our
daw.
colleague here to raise that matter.
Mm.
And he has not cited any act of misconduct
Oh,
or
wala
misbehavior
daw.
on the part of Mr. Kiko.
Wala daw ginagawa, mga kababayan. Wala pang ginagawa, nagre-react na. No? Masyadong maapila. Assuming lang na may gagawin.
D. And alluding
Would you
to
like
that,
to make a motion to that effect?
Yes, my motion is to strike out the
Strike out
manifestation.
na.
There is a motion to strike out from the record the manifestation of the Honorable Marcoleta. The same has been seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is granted. The manifestation of the Honorable Marcoleta is hereby ordered stricken out of the record.
Ngayon. Okay, subscribe nyo mga babayan na PH nyo sa update. Lalagay ko sa baba yung link. Alright? O, tuloy natin.
The Honorable Diaz-Guerin.
Madam Chair, prior to proceeding with the indulgence of the members of this committee, since the allegations were baseless and not contained in an affidavit, and this is the subject of an impeachment complaint totally unrelated to what was mentioned, may I move that the words and the allegations as contained for congressmen getting money in the office and being delivered in the townhouses be stricken off the records. So move, Madam Chair.
There is a motion to strike off from the record the manifestation of the Honorable Suntay with respect to the money taken or received in relation to the
Basically, Madam Chair, the statements, the allegation mentioned by Congressman, or my good friend, my very good friend, Congressman Suntay,
you are good friend to each other.
Very, Madam Chair.
Very much, Madam Chair. So,
There is a motion to strike off from the record the manifestation of the Honorable Suntay about the money taken or received allegedly by the members of the House. Is there a
Madam Chair.
second? The same has been seconded. Is
Madam
there any
Chair.
objection?
Madam Chair.
Are you-
Madam Chair, I have no objection considering it has been published.
The Honorable Marcoleta, are you objecting?
No, ma'am. In fact, I'm appealing to
Let us resolve first the
to
motion.
reinstate the.
Nakapila pa?
So you are objecting.
No, I'm appealing to reinstate the remarks earlier made by.
The motion
Mr.
is still pending. It's not yet resolved.
Oh,
If there are
ending pa pala eh. Hindi pa nare-resolve. No, sabi ni Congressman Luistro, hindi pa nare-resolve, pending pa. Huwag ka muna magsalita. Mapila ka kagad eh.
no objection, then the chair approves the motions to strike off from the record the manifestation of about the money allegedly received by the House members from the manifestation of the Honorable Suntay. So ruled. Honorable Marcoleta.
Madam Chair, I'd like to appeal. I think the remarks earlier made by
Is that
Honorable.
the motion for reconsideration?
It's more of a manifestation.
Okay, please manifest.
Opo. The earlier remarks made by Honorable Suntay is an appeal for objectivity, impartiality, insofar as the proceedings of the Justice Committee is concerned. Ang binanggit po niya, if we will, no offense to the most of the members of the Justice Committee, there are 25 House members named in the affidavit of the 18 ex-Marines, 25 names, which comprise around 1/3 of the membership of the Justice Committee here, all present.
The Honorable Marcoleta is likewise reminded to confine the manifestation to the relevancy of the current impeachment
I
proceeding.
think it's very germane, ma'am, because we will, it boils down to the objectivity and impartiality of the members.
Honorable Marcoleta, we have not reached even the determination of sufficiency in form, and the chair has stated already that the Justice Committee is assured of the impartiality of the chair, including all the members. I think that is premature for us to discuss on the
Premature.
impartiality when we haven't heard any of this impeachment complaint. So unless the manifestation has relevance to the current impeachment proceeding, the Honorable Marcoleta is requested to cease from making manifestation outside the subject matter of
Yun.
this impeachment proceeding.
Yun, pinatahimik mga babayan. Huwag ka daw madaldal. Ha? Pinatahimik ni Congressman Luistro mga babayan kasi kung ano-ano yung pinagsasabi, no, na wala naman pala doon sa pinag-uusapan. No? Oh, manahimik ka kasi kung ano-ano pinagsasabi mo. Palke.
Madam Chair, with due respect to the 25 members who were mentioned in the affidavit,
Honorable Marcoleta, you are reminded by the chair already to confine to the subject matter of this impeachment proceeding. If you continue to make a manifestation outside the subject matter, we will be ruling you out of order.
Yo.
With all due respect, Honorable
Oh.
Marcoleta.
Yun, out of order ka na.
I submit to the wisdom of the chair.
Dapat sa'yo, out of ano. out of the committee court. Di pala member tapos ang daming sinasabi. Di ba?
Chair.
Thank you. We shall now proceed to the determination of sufficiency in form. The onset, after we conclude on the deliberation on all the impeachment complaints, which at this point we only have two, the third and the fourth impeachment complaint, we shall proceed to vote. The chair is now ready to hear the motion with respect to the sufficiency or insufficiency in form of the third impeachment complaint.
Madam Chair,
The Honorable Zamora.
Madam Chair, I move to declare the third impeachment complaint as sufficient in form.
There is a motion to declare the third impeachment complaint sufficient in form. Do I hear a second? Is there any objection? Hearing none. The chair declares the third impeachment complaint, that is Father Zabalia et al. Impeachment complaint, sufficient in form. So ruled.
Tanong ko lang, no, bakit kaya nakangiti si Congressman Luis? Natutuwa kaya siya? Natutuwa kaya siya na may impeach si Sara? Tsaka ano, parang may pangitain. Tignan mo yung damit ni Congressman Luis. Joke lang. O, game.
The chair is now ready to hear the motion on the fourth impeachment complaint. The Honorable Padiernos.
Madam Chair, I move to declare the fourth impeachment complaint as sufficient in form.
There is a motion to declare the fourth impeachment complaint, that is Cabrera impeachment complaint, sufficient in form. Do I hear a second? The same has been seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing
No
none.
objection.
The chair declares the fourth impeachment complaint, that is Cabrera impeachment complaint, sufficient in form.
Yun.
So ruled.
Sufficient in form. Ang ngiti talaga si Congressman Luis eh.
Madam Chair.
O, eto na naman.
The Honorable Marcoleta.
Ayun na naman.
Point of order. This is not directed to the,
Point of order
the
to.
members of the committee.
Madam Chair, our good friend is not a member of the committee.
Yeah, but
You
I
know.
can.
You know, not a member of our committee raw, oh. Hindi ka miyembro. Kaya wala kang karapatang magsalita dyan. Oink. Kawawa naman, hindi pala member. Tapos nandyan.
Perhaps
There's a
you
point
can
of
just
order.
manifest
Or just
instead of raising a
manifestation.
point of order.
Manifestation.
All right, you may proceed, Honorable
This
Marcoleta.
is not directed to the members of the Justice Committee, but I observed the presence of Mr. Kiko D from the audience.
Oh.
Though he was allowed to be an audience
Oh.
in the proceedings, despite his
Oh,
withdrawal.
allowed naman pala sa maging audience eh. Anong problema doon? Allowed naman pala. Oh.
Of the second impeachment complaint, I suggest that he observe proper decorum. Because if you remember,
May we know the action of the Honorable D or Mr. D, which is not consistent with decorum?
I'm just speaking from experience when the
Which means he hasn't committed any
Oh.
yet.
not yet, but as a
Oh,
forward,
not yet pa pala eh. Wala pa palang ginagawa eh. Bakit umi-extra ka na? Bakit nagre-react ka na? Wala pa palang ginagawa.
as a premonition or a
Oh.
warning,
Premonition daw. Manghuhula na pala to ngayon. May premonition na siya. No?
he, during the archiving of the impeachment at the Senate, Mr.
Madam Chair,
Mr. D.
Madam Chair, wala pa naman palang ginagawa. Let us
Oh.
not...
Order. Let us wait.
Wala naman palang ginagawa kasi. Wala pa naman pala kasing ginagawa, mga kababayan. Mema lang, no? May masabi lang.
Until he finishes, and then I will
Just
be
allow me to
recognizing
finish. During the archiving of the impeachment, Mr. D booed and made a gesture of thumbs down at the VIP gallery of the Senate.
All right. All right,
I
Honorable Marcoleta, but it is apparent that
proper decorum.
the Honorable D hasn't committed anything yet,
Wala pa.
which is not consistent to decorum. Would you like
Oh.
to say something, Honorable Dilema?
Yes,
Diba?
Madam
Wala pa palang ginagawa eh. May premonition ka na.
Chair, it is completely improper
Improper
for our
daw.
colleague here to raise that matter.
Oh.
And he has not cited any act of misconduct or misbehavior on the part of Mr. Kiko D.
Oh, wala daw ginagawa si Mr. Kiko D. Anong ine-epal niyan? Anong ine-epal niya ni Marcoleta dyan?
And alluding
Would you
to
like
that,
to make a
I wish-
motion to that effect?
Yes, my motion is to strike out the
strike out
manifestations.
daw.
Second, Madam Chair, there is a motion to strike out.
Kagulo pa sila. Nagunahan pa sila magpa-strike out doon sa sinabi ni Marcoleta. Dapat si Marcoleta yung pina-strike out ninyo.
From the record, the
Magulo yan.
manifestation of the Honorable Marcoleta, the same has been seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is granted. The manifestation of the Honorable Marcoleta is hereby ordered stricken out of the record.
Oh. You
If
know,
there are no other matters which the
ay nga, pinagtawanan si Marcoleta. Pinagtawanan nila, pinagtawanan ng mga congressista. Ay, nako, Marcoleta. Oh, ano masasabi niyo dyan, mga kababayan? May lang eh, no? May masabi lang eh. Ang bakulit nun, no? Ang dami niya sinasabi, ang dami niyang komento, ang dami niya nakikita, may mga observation, may premonition pa siya, mga kababayan. Ang masaklap nun, hindi pala siya miyembro ng ng Justice Committee. Oh, ano masasabi niyo dyan, kababayan, no? Comment sa ibaba yung mga opinion at ating pag-usapan, mga babayan. Alright, so kita-kits tayo sa ating next video upload. Don't forget to subscribe po, no? PH News Update. Alright? Peace. I'm out.